Did you know you can speed up your Galaxy phone with this trick even though you have a brand new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G? Watch this. Jump into your settings, scroll all the way down, look for accessibility, touch it, look to vision enhancements, touch it, and now scroll down a little bit. You can pause right there and read these two. Reduce animations, reduce transparency and blur. Watch this. As easy as touching those. Let's back out, and you want proof, let's compare it to an A15. On this side, 16's on this side. We made the adjustments to the 16. Watch this. We just open the dialer. See that? Did you see that? Let's go back. See how this one blinks on, blinks off, and this one animates open, animates close. Let's go to Messenger. You can see it. Close Messenger. You can see it. I'm sure you can. Let's open Settings. Settings. Easy to see. If you use your phone a lot, switching between apps, your phone is going to feel snappier and crisper. But Jason, that's a 15 and that's a 16. 16's faster. Let's swap them. Watch this. We're way inside settings, vision enhancements. Now let's reduce animations on this one. Let's turn them back on here. Now let's watch this as exit out of here. Back. Let's go to home. See how much quicker it is? Now this one's blinking on, blinking off. This one's animating open, animating close. Let's do one more example. Messenger. Blinks on, this one animates open. Again, if you use your phone a lot, switching between apps, your phone is going to feel so quick and snappy. One more last thing, stick with me. If you don't like it at all, go back in and just turn it up, 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 and now they're the same speed. See that? Beep. Beep. Hey, if this has helped you, please like. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. And if you need a recommendation to help you lower your cell phone bill, watch this video next.